picked this up recently from a cafe that was giving away their old coffee grinds, and I thought I would just show you what it looks like when you get one of these. Damp, wet and mouldy. This is normal and smelly, not nice, particularly nice coffee smell. It's used, not very nice coffee smell. So this is going to go into my, there you go, this is going to go into there. That's what it looks like. Not particularly nice, but this will, there you go, bag's empty. This will make this will go to make some of my blocks, and it'll go up here and be dried. Some of those have got coffee there, actually, some coffee in those. But yeah, I need to make some more. I've got to get rid of some dust because that was full, so the bags are here, so I need to make some of those, get them on the shelf, get them dry. 3 weeks later, these things are dry and I can burn them as fuel. Ready for the next one. So there you go, 10 minutes, 10 blocks, sorted. Cover it up to stop the flies, and I'll come in tomorrow. Got some jobs to do and I'll make some more. Cheers. That was just a quick one, making these blocks here. If you want a longer version with so much more detail, then look at my playlists. There's a playlist called From Waste to Fuel. There's a few videos in there covering the making and the burning of them as well. So there's lots of videos showing you how they make them, but there's not many people that actually show you how they burn as well. So well worth a look. If you like this, please like, share, subscribe. Comments are great because comments make a difference to the algorithms. And if you can buy me a coffee or PayPal or something if I've helped you out with some way, that'd be fantastic. Catch you again. Cheers.